Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get back to your old TikTok account. So if you want to recover your old TikTok account, here's how you can do it. Open your TikTok apps and then go to your profile first. So let's say that this is my new profile on TikTok and I want to back to my old one. So click on the three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. Scroll down and find a report a problem menu on the support and about section. So click on this. Okay, so after you click on that, there will be this option account recovery. So click on that. And now here you can recover account using this four option. You can use your TikTok username, phone number, email, and also Instagram. So I'm going to go with TikTok username. So let's say I'm going to just add my username in here. Okay, after that you can click on next. And in here you need to verify your identity. Here you can choose Google. For example, here click on the Google and choose the account to continue to TikTok. Okay, so after you confirm your identity, you can just proceed with the process and just wait until TikTok teams recover your account. But if it's still not going smoothly, you can go to the need help in here and you can contact the TikTok help desk in here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.